Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and as most of you know, I've been predicting that there might be a possible turn in the market. What I'm basing this on is go back to 2009 on March the 5th. It was a Thursday. I sent this letter out on the Sunday, which was the first. And then also by the time we got there, you can see here this little, at the very bottom, there's a little tiny double bottom there on March 5th, which was the exact bottom. All I was doing, folks, was measuring the ABCD pattern to the downside. It's drawn in red, you can see here, also drawn in green. I didn't put the smaller one in here, but that's what we were looking at. Now, what we have happening right now, as we've been speaking, and I'll bring this up here to you right now. Here's where we were. It's coming into Friday. Okay, now we've had three major gaps. One back here in May. We've had another one here back on the 23rd after the Iran mini war, and then we had one here on Friday. We have taken out this low already today, folks. We're trading at 619 as opposed to 625. I was recommending the 620 put in August. If you did that, you'd be a break even. Well, you'd be a little better than break even, but if the market reverses and goes above here, then I'm going to be totally wrong. But the first gap fills, I think it's just filled the first gap. We'll check it here in just a minute since we're going to be looking at that live. Let's just get up here and see where we are here with this gap here on the, see if it's going to fill. Yep, by golly, it's already filled the first gap right here. It's already filled the first gap. So that is in fact a good sign. We're going to find out. Now, if you were doing the S&P like we recommended in the thing over the weekend, is to look for that first hole. Let's get this up here on an 8-minute, is to sell that first retracement, which was right there Sunday night. It opened right there at the 61% retracement, folks. In fact, as you'll see, there it was right there. Well, it opened here and went to the 61% retracement, and then it touched it again here, and then, of course, it's now come down and looks like we're making the ABCD on this move to the downside right now. But this thing could have some more to go to the downside, so I'd hold on with that. We'll be...